guys, welcome to the next vlog. And yeah, today I'm going to show you my Lamborghini. That I bought this for you guys. You have commented information on you. Bring this and show. And my friend, yeah, if you are seeing Lamborghini boy, this is for you. Okay guys, see this. Today I'm going to show you how to do your fidget spinner fast. This much. No need for hair blower. I will show you next vlog with the hair blower, but I'm going to show you with Lamborghini toy. Okay guys, this is this, and look this. See guys. See guys, this makes it this fast. One trick is this, and next, sorry I say next vlog, but now I'm going to show you hair blower. Peace out. I have never done this, but just for you guys I'm doing this. One boom. Yes guys, just for you guys I'm doing this because some of you commented, but I'm cool. See guys. Yeah guys, you have commented this and I have done this. I have done my promise. And again, one thing I want to tell you. This is my little tilted. Here might stand here. One I'm going to show you. Take any perfume. Oh yeah. I'm taking this. My mother, she commissioned me. And take this and do look. And guys, see how fast it is. You might use water, yeah. And, your fidget spinner will be also washed. Oh, bam! Yeah, see how fast it is. And yeah. Where it is again. Yeah. Now